kind of a positive paradigm, a positive vision. So while war cannot any longer deliver us from problems, nor is it affordable anymore, given its humongous costs, the path of pursuing cooperation and understanding would not harm anyone. We might fail, but it will not harm anyone. But the important thing is that path offers no escape from the hard time that conflict imposes on leadership and peoples. It will not be easy. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the path of ahimsa is not easy. You got to be very, very strong and determined. It requires discipline, alertness, probity, and integrity of purpose. And it brooks no room for equivocation and hedging on action. Governance remains key to any vision. European states achieved what they did because Europeans do not mix law and order and rules of behavior with political contests. Their policies and their police and judiciary do not run on advice and prompting of every tiny local henchman. The people at large feel assured of states' ability and role in their development and protection. The same applies to US, where effective governance has shown how further terrorist threats after 9/11 have not succeeded, despite US having been in controversial military campaigns in Iraq and Afghanistan. To a large extent, this applies to Germany, France, and England. In Indian situation, without India's having gone out to damage any country or having attacked anyone's interest, the cities and provinces of India remain playground of all kinds of violences, promoted by nefarious forces, political groups, that use our openness to compel us to be closed, and then blame us for being mean, who pull us down for the development path, from the development path, by advancing ever more demands on the development graph, and then condemn us for underperformance. In the meantime, the instruments of state power are rendered obsolete, primordial in outlook, and subservient to retrogressive tendencies that were unforeseen when we got independence. Threats to security are endemic in these situations, which no degree of hard rhetoric or military acquisitions can offset. This is my thrust, and I just wanted to make a few final comments about democracy. There is this very biting comment by Los Angeles Times recently. It says that perversely, authoritarian countries like China, who need popular legitimacy, are compelled to deliver on social development goals, whereas democracies like India's, where it is interpreted in terms of electoral victory, it ensures that ruling establishment need not worry about social goals so long as it can ensure the trick to win elections. This is Los Angeles Times. I'm not quoting exactly, but this is the thrust of the message. Now that is very biting. That actually shows the kind of limitations. There was another point which I think in the course of the discussions was made, that India promises to neighbors while China delivers. I want to actually say that this is not true. This is not true because if you look at each of India's neighbors, the kind of assistance that India has given far exceeds what China could give. In Nepal, for instance, we have given thousands and thousands of crores over the last years. And China has not come out with so much. What it does, it comes and builds a parliament or builds an online assembly. So it becomes a mark and it is visible. But that's very slick. In Bangladesh also, India has been offering a lot. Even with Pakistan, for instance, Government of India has offered the kind of trade concessions which are very, very generous. but they are taking time to even absorb it and respond. And in the case of Sri Lanka, about which I have been saying about Sri Lanka, I used to say when I was Secretary General SAARC that it is a success story, and in SAARC also Sri Lanka smart enough to see the value of SAARC. But of late I find it going on a different track altogether. They are, as I said in another of my comments, that in place of win-win, they seem to be believing in win and quit. So I just want to end with this. I hope it is not abrupt, but and if there's a question I can take. But